Today you're going to learn how to draw your leading lines on your final Zentangle paper. To begin, draw a 1/2 inch border. So the 1/2 inch is that middle large line right between the edge of the ruler and the number 1. You're going to want to measure 1/2 inch down 3 times on each side. Those 3 times allow you to get a nice straight line. If your border does not look straight and even, then you'll have to redo it. I like to measure the middle of my page, and then I will go in and start sketching in my leading lines. Notice how I'm copying the exact composition that I did in my sketches. Make sure the placement and variations of your leading lines matches those in your sketch. Be sure to draw your leading lines no thinner than 1/2 inch, as you will need space to draw your tangles within them. Make sure your leading lines fill 80% of the composition. Now, if you get to the end and something doesn't look accurate, you can modify it like I'm doing here. I'm going to change this line so it better reflects the line direction of my previous lines. The last step is to go over every one of your lines with French curves or rulers. French curves are tools that you can use to make your organic curvy lines look more professional, and then rulers are great to use on straight lines. You can see here I've gone in with French curves and it's just kind of crisped up my lines and made them look a lot cleaner. If you are at home and you do not have French curves, try to use the bottom of bowls or dishes or anything curvy that you have in your house, and just try to do your best to make your lines look as clean as possible. But once again, your leading lines should show movement by they should show movement by being placed on an angle. They should overlap to show space. They should be unified by being a similar line, and they should fill up 80% of the composition.